Hi guys, Owen here. Welcome back to the channel. Let's talk about why our freedom in the USA is so important and how it plays a role in affiliate marketing. Freedom lies at the core of the United States of America, defining its values and shaping its history. From the nation's inception, the concept of freedom has been instrumental in fostering innovation, economic growth, and individual prosperity. In today's digital age, this principle holds particular relevance for those pursuing goals in affiliate marketing. This article explores the importance of freedom in the USA and how it empowers individuals and businesses to thrive in the realm of affiliate marketing. 1. Freedom of expression. The First Amendment of the United States Constitution guarantees the freedom of expression, a fundamental right that enables individuals to voice their opinions, create content, and promote products freely. In the context of affiliate marketing, this freedom allows marketers to engage in open and honest communication with their audience, sharing their expertise and experiences to build trust and drive sales. By expressing their unique perspectives, marketers can attract like-minded individuals and foster genuine connections that lead to long-term success. 2. Economic freedom. The USA is renowned for its commitment to economic freedom, providing individuals with the opportunity to engage in entrepreneurial endeavors and pursue their financial goals. In affiliate marketing, economic freedom is invaluable. It allows marketers to choose their niche, select the products or services they believe in, and build their own online businesses. The absence of excessive regulations and barriers to entry fosters a competitive marketplace where innovation and creativity can flourish, enabling marketers to adapt, experiment, and refine their strategies to achieve their objectives. 3. Freedom of information. Access to information is a vital component of success in affiliate marketing. In the USA, the freedom of information ensures that marketers have the ability to gather knowledge, stay updated with industry trends, and make informed decisions. The existence of an open and unrestricted information ecosystem empowers marketers to conduct research, learn from others, and implement effective strategies that align with their goals. This freedom also encourages transparency, which is crucial for building credibility and trust with consumers. 4. Freedom of competition. The USA's commitment to free markets and fair competition bolsters the field of affiliate marketing. Freedom of competition drives innovation and incentivizes marketers to continuously improve their skills, products, and services. In a competitive environment, marketers must deliver value and differentiate themselves to succeed. This dynamic fosters an ecosystem where consumers benefit from quality products, while marketers are motivated to constantly innovate and offer exceptional experiences, ultimately enhancing the overall affiliate marketing landscape. 5. Personal freedom and entrepreneurial spirit. The USA celebrates personal freedom and encourages individuals to pursue their dreams, fostering an entrepreneurial spirit that is deeply ingrained in the nation's culture. This spirit is a driving force behind many successful affiliate marketers who embrace the freedom to set their own schedules, work from anywhere, and define their own paths to success. The ability to chart one's course, take calculated risks, and fully leverage personal strengths provides affiliate marketers with the freedom to create businesses that align with their aspirations and values. Conclusion. Freedom lies at the heart of the United States of America and plays a pivotal role in driving success in affiliate marketing. The freedoms of expression, economic opportunity, access to information, fair competition, and personal autonomy collectively empower marketers to achieve their goals and thrive in this dynamic industry. By embracing these freedoms, affiliate marketers can harness their creativity, expertise, and entrepreneurial spirit to forge their own paths, build prosperous businesses, and contribute to the growth of the affiliate marketing landscape in the USA. Hope you liked this short video and you check out the links in the description below for great opportunities. Please like, comment, and subscribe. See you on the inside.